Hi all, today we'll be making this beautiful colorful tissue paper flowers. So welcome to Raji's Creative Studio and let's get creative. For this I'm going to use this little bottle which I'll be using as a flower vase for the tissue paper flowers. So first let's prepare this bottle. So I'll be painting it off with acrylic paint. Now the bottle is ready for the flower arrangement. So now let's get started with the tissue paper flowers. For this I am using this tissue paper roll. So I am taking a piece of this tissue paper. Since we are going to make a small miniature flower, I will be cutting this paper into two. This is a double ply tissue paper, so I will get 4 plies once I open up to make the flower. So simply follow the process that I am going to show after this. Here I am using a floral wire to tie up this tissue paper. Don't tie it up too tight, otherwise it will be difficult to open up the tissue paper. Once it is done, let's tie off the floral wire with the floral tape. Now let's start opening up the tissues to make it into a beautiful flower. This looks beautiful as is, but I would like to add some color to it. So I am using watercolor diluted with water. Don't use strong watercolor. Dilute it nicely with water and just put few drops of colors. Do not soak the tissue paper with the water, otherwise it will become fully soggy. So just put few drops of this color. I made few of them earlier, so now let's put all these flowers into the beautiful vase we have prepared earlier. Oh my, this looks really awesome. This is going onto my study table. If you have liked this video, please do comment, like and subscribe.